The LG V20 is here, and today I'm been a video about the Pixel 4 Verizon Prepaid. So the Pixel 4 is now available on Verizon Prepaid. So if you guys are interested of getting a Pixel 4 on prepaid, Verizon Prepaid has you covered with that. So this is the Pixel 4. It's available in two storage options, 64 gigs or 128 gigs. The 64 gig is $799.99, and then the 128 gig is $899.99. Alright, and it's available in three colors. You have just black, clearly white, and also orange. Alright, so let's go check out this thing. So this is a Pixel 4. This is the phone in its entirety. Nice looking phone, you know. Power button and volume keys are on the right side of the phone. Left side you have your SIM card. On the back of the Pixel 4 you guys have your Google logo, your square cutout for the camera. There's a dual camera on the back here. It's hard to tell. I think it's dual camera though, I think. It reminds me of the Huawei phones, in terms of camera design and stuff. So yeah, that's the back. The right side, power and volume key. Your power button is this white button, and your volume key is just underneath. So it says here, introducing the Google Pixel 4 Prepaid. Take studio quality photos on a dual 12 and 16 megapixel rear facing camera featuring night sight mode. Get stuff done with the new and improved Google Assistant, and control your device with quick and intuitive gestures using built-in motion sense. Verizon is your go-to location destination for the hottest smartphones like the Google Pixel 4 Prepaid, all available on the nation's most awarded network. So it's no contact, of course. It's Verizon Prepaid, no contract, so that's a win. So it's 2.7 inches in width and 5.7 inches in height there. You have a dual camera setup on back. It's 12.2 megapixels and 16 megapixels on back. 32.2 hours of talk time and 12 days of standby time there. See into space. Pixel 4 can take a picture of the Milky Way with one tap in night sight mode. Astrophotography is one of the many features that make Pixel one of the best low light cameras in the galaxy. And that's a really cool picture right there, where they're showing you guys the Milky Way. I'm guessing that's what that is. I don't know, but you know, it's still a pretty cool picture. Okay, just get help with the most challenging photos. Adjust the exposure balance of your photos before you take the shots. Powerful controls let you manipulate the color and exposure of the different elements in your picture. Get more done with your voice. Of course, it has Google Assistant, of course. The new Google Assistant makes it easy to control your phone and get stuff done, like searching YouTube, sharing photos, and finding restaurants. It's your own personal Google, always ready to help. I like that they're in the little pictures and the robocalls. Yeah, in those bitches. Those are the pain in the ass. So I think it's like a screen call or some shit, or call screen, or whatever it's called, the call screen thing. So that's pretty nice. A new way to control your phone. Pixel 4 has quick gestures, letting you get things done without having to touch your phone. It's great for when you're driving, cooking, or enjoying your favorite tacos. Alright, so that's like the motion sense. So that's a good feature. So if you're driving and stuff, you won't be distracted by your phone. So you can control your phone using your hands and shit. You won't have to touch the phone. And it's great while you're driving. So that's a win. Wireless power. Quickly charge your phone with Pixel Stand. You can charge your Pixel 4 with any Qi certified wireless charger. There's a Pixel Stand right there, so that's pretty nice. You will have to buy it separately if you guys are interested. Power the apps you use the most. Do more of what you love without having to look for a power outlet. The adaptive battery learns your favorite apps and reduces power to the ones you rarely use. So that's nice. Specs on this bad boy, nice second phone, great specs and stuff. This is a flagship phone, of course. Let me scroll back up here. So the Pixel 4 has a 5.7 inch display that is Full HD plus OLED. That's 444 ppi, 64 gigabytes of storage or 128 gigabytes of storage. Bluetooth 5.0, Qualcomm Snapdragon 855. That is octa-core. There's your star ratings. Colors are just black, clearly white, and oh so orange. Your battery is 2800 milliamps. Type-C charger, 18 watt fast charging, Qi certified wireless charging, Android 10, Wi-Fi, dual band Wi-Fi there, which has Wi-Fi 8 to 11, ABGN and AC. Depth is 0.3 inches. Height, like I mentioned earlier, 5.7 inches. Your width is 2.7 inches. The front-facing camera is 8 megapixels, and here you have a dual rear-facing camera, which is 12.2 megapixels and 16 megapixels. And you have 32.2 hours of usage time, 12 days of standby time. It's a real device, so you can use it anywhere in the world. Works in over 200 currencies depending on your plan, and it is LTE Advanced, which with 50% faster peak speeds and more than 450 Cs from coast to coast. If you guys need help with your Pixel 4 on Verizon Prepaid, Verizon has you covered there with device support. So if you guys need to learn how to set up Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, email on this Pixel 4, Verizon has you covered with that. So check it out if you guys ever need help. So what you guys get in the Pixel 4 box is the Pixel 4, non-removable battery, SIM tray removal tool, power adapter, USB-C cable, quick switch adapter, pre-installed SIM card, product safety and warranty brochure, and important consumer safety information. So there you have it. The Pixel 4 is now available on Verizon Prepaid. It's available in 3 colors, just black, clearly white, oh so orange. Available in 2 storage options, 64 gigs for $799.99 or 128 gigs for $899.99. No contracts, of course. So there you guys have it. Pixel 4 now available on Verizon Prepaid. So if you guys enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it lets me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.